Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the petroleum refinery and petrochemicals. એમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આજે ગેસ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ gases and their some compositions part. ઓકે તો ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસીસ અને સમ કોમ્પોઝિશન પાર્ટમાં જોઈશું આપણે નેચરલ ગેસ, એસોસિએટેડ ગેસ, ડિઝોલ્વ ગેસ, કેસિંગ હેડ ગેસ, રિફાઇનરી ગેસ અને એલપીજી ગેસ. ઓકે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું વન બાય વન. ઓકે તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો તમારે નામ યાદ રાખવાના છે કે ગેસીસના ટાઈપ કયા કયા છે. ઓકે તો કયા કયા છે? ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધ નેચરલ ગેસ, એસોસિએટેડ ગેસ, ડિઝોલ્વ ગેસ, રિફાઇનરી ગેસ, એલપીજી ગેસ, ઓકે, અને એસોસિએટેડ ગેસ. નાવ સિમ્પલ એન્ડ ધ મોસ્ટ ડિફરન્ટ ગેસ ઇઝ ધ કેસિંગ હેડ ગેસ, જે ક્રિસમસ ટ્રીમાં એનો યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે. Okay, the gas from petroleum is classified under several the names like natural gas. Okay, I raw point ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો. This one. Okay, natural gas, associated gas, dissolved gas, casing head gas. Okay, from this refinery basis. Now the first is about natural gas. Its name indicates that is readily available in nature, almost as a finished product. It contains mainly varying proportions of methane. It may be accompanied by other dry gases. Some fractions like ethane and propane to a small extent in addition to these combustible. Some inerts like CO2 and 2 noble gases are also present. Proportions of methane some range from 85% and goes up to the 98%. Okay, it is a simply name indicates in a readily available છે જે almost as a finished product છે. Okay, now it contains mainly varying proportions of methane. It may be accompanied by other dry gases, some fractions like ethane and propane to be a small extent. In addition to these combustibles, some inerts like CO2 and 2 noble gases are also presented. The proportions of methane range from 85% and goes up to the 98%. Okay. The associated gas. The associated gas, this is the combined obtained from oil reservoirs, and this exists as a separated gases cap over like liquid phases. So the gas mainly consists of methane and the some extent ethane and propane. The proportions vary depending upon the receiver. Some conditions where the gas phase is taken out, it may still contain some liquid hydrocarbons, mainly of volatile range like butane and pentane, which when condensed are termed as a natural gas liquid. And the dissolved gas, the gas may be present in the liquid hydrocarbon, mainly in the dissolved state depending upon the formations, some pressure. When the pressure is decreased in the dissolved gas, okay, come out the oil gases and a gas production up to the 10% crude and a produce is not uncommon with the oil receiver માટે છે. Okay, the first of all the all points note down in the notebook. This is the most important theory. Okay, this is the most important part in a theoretical exam. Okay, gas from the petroleum છે is classified under several names like the natural gas, okay, associated gas, dissolved gas, casing head gas and off gas. refinery of gas. Okay, now from this refinery, simply name indicate for a natural gas માટે જોયું આપણે કે is a readily available, is a nature almost as a finished product છે and it is contain mainly varying proportions of methane. It may be accompanied by other dry gases fractions like ethane and propane to a small extent. In addition to these combustibles, some inert like CO2, nitrogen, novel gases are also present. The proportions of methane range from 85% and goes up to the 98%. Now the associated gas જોઈએ આપણે to be obtained from oil receivers, and in this state exist as a separate gas kept over the liquid phases. Though the gas mainly consists of methane and to some extent ethane and propane. The proportions vary depending upon the receiver conditions. When the gas phase is taken out, it may be still contain some liquid hydrocarbon, mainly of the volatile range like butane and pentane, which when the condensed are termed as a natural gas liquids. Okay, NGL. Now the dissolved gases. The gas may be present in the liquid hydrocarbon, mainly in the dissolved gas state depending upon the formations pressures. When the pressure is decreased, this dissolved gas comes out to the oil and the gas production up to the 10% crude and a produce is not uncommon with the oil receiver માટે છે. Okay, these are the three important gases. Now other gas part discussion. This one. Okay. It is a fair to strip of such dissolved gas before crude is transported. It is fair to strip off the such dissolved gases before crude is transported to long distance by means of pipelines or tankers. The remaining dissolved gas is forced to come out the distillation column, because of the higher temperature than the surroundings. Okay. This is the most important point for a casing head gas. The gas that has escaped through the oil well, Christmas tree. Okay, જે Christmas tree માટે most of use થાય છે casing head gas, and the term is tree is termed as the casing head gas, and it is also more or less similar to the natural gas, but contains less than percentage of methane and high percentage of the ethane and propane than the natural gas. It is a byproduct of the oil production. Okay, so note down these all 2 points for dissolved gas and casing head gas. Okay, again repeated, it is fed to the strip of such dissolved gases before crude is transported and no to long distance by means to pipelines or tankers, and the remaining dissolved gas is first to come out the distillation part, distillation column, because of the higher temperature than the surroundings, and the casing head gas, the gas that escaped throughout the oil well. Christmas trees in also term as the casing head gas. It is also more or less similar to the natural gas but contain less percentage of methane and a high percentage of ethane. Some propane than natural gas, it is byproduct of oil productions. Okay. Now the refinery gas, it is a refinery gas is formed in a cracking and a reforming operations due to the thermal degradation of liquid hydrocarbon during stabilization of wild gasoline of or processed gasoline. The gases are vented in the gas is mainly mixtures part, some are saturated and unsaturated point. Okay, all quantity is also not as accessible. This form a major sources of the heat energy for a refinery as well as the feedstock for petrochemicals. In fact of the energy for a refinery as well as the feedstock for petrochemical. In fact, without any exclusion, all these gases can be utilized for a petrochemical industries માટે છે use થતું હોય છે. Okay, note down the all points. Okay, all the gases contain any impurities like carbon dioxide, nitrogen mercaptans, hydrogen sulfide, water vapor, suspended impurities, etc. The first three paraffins are gas at a room temperature mixtures at of methane and ethane is called dry gases, while propane butane mixtures is called the wet gases. Okay, what is the dry gases and wet gases? Note down the definitions. All the gases contain some impurities like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, mercaptans, hydrogen sulfide, water vapor, suspended impurities. So first three paraffinic are gases at a room temperature. The mixtures of methane and ethane is called dry gases, and while the propane butane mixtures is called wet gases. Where the petrochemical industries are not instituted, dry gas would find its use mainly in the refinery fuel system. Okay, wet gas usually liquefied and sold for commercials. Some purposes butane is diverted to the gasoline streams as a blending contact and butane to more commercial values and blended with gasoline basis per share. The last one is the LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. The gas that is vented from a refinery distillation unit is processed and conventionally stored after liquefaction for domestic heating and some purposes. It is supplied in a small cylinder 15 kg or 12 kgs, while our industrial tank suppliers are called in this basis. It is known as a liquefied petroleum gas. as it is stored in a vapor liquid mixture. Okay, ease of handling, smokelessness, good and steady heating rate are some key points that made is the fuel a popular kitchen aid to the housewife of the modern terms, rising demand of this domestic and industrial fuel. Okay, so thank you so much.